Lawry's seasoned salt will actually enhance any dish that you're making.
Expert reviews.
Lawry's seasoned salt, this is something that I grew up with. I didn't know what it was until I started cooking, and my mom would say, hey, go get the Lawry's. So that brand always stuck. Nowadays, I actually bring that into a professional kitchen and use it as a flavor enhancer. Lawry's is consistently better in the taste, the flavor, really works well with very simple things in salads. I use it in potatoes when I'm making something like a cottage fries, but the reason I like it so much because it has a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of turmeric, and a little bit of garlic powder into it. So it kind of blends all those things together that you need in one nice little package. And if you get a seasoned salt today, whether brand A, brand B, Lawry's still is to me consistently better.